Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn money on Cash App by playing games. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So if you're looking for a fun way to earn some extra money, you'll be glad to know there are mobile games and apps that let you play and get paid, often instantly, to your G or your Cash App account. While not every game pays directly into Cash App, many allows you to transfer your earnings through PayPal or a linked bank account that's connected to Cash App. Now I'm going to run through a few of the best legit platforms and games that offer quick payouts and easy cash, all while playing games you enjoy in your free time. So I'm going to start off with the first one here called Pawns.app. Now, they offer multiple ways to earn, so including surveys, micro tasks, bandwidth sharing, and playing casual games. The money you earn gets added to your Pawns balance, which you can withdraw to PayPal or a bank account, making it easy to move that cash into your Cash App wallet. Okay, the next one is called Cash Giraffe Play and Earn. So this Android only app, unfortunately, sorry iOS users, rewards you for playing simple games like puzzles and strategy titles. You earn coins for time spent playing, which you can convert into real money. Withdrawals start as low as 20 cents and you can cash out directly to PayPal or Cash App. Okay, the next one is called Solitaire Cash. So if you're looking to make money, go to Solitaire Cash app and install this and play. So this is a great all-in-one earning platform. You can make money by answering surveys, completing offers, sharing bandwidth, or playing games. Once you build up your balance, you can cash out a PayPal or a bank account and they send you that money to Cash App. Alright, the next one we got is freecash.com. So freecash is a reward-based platform offering games, surveys, and promotional tasks. Some users report earning $50 to $100 quickly. It supports instant withdrawals to PayPal, crypto, or direct bank transfers, all which can be routed into your Cash App account. Now, the last one off the list is Bingo Cash. So Bingo Cash is a real money bingo app where players enter live tournaments and win prizes. It's available on iOS and Samsung devices and supports withdrawals to PayPal or bank accounts, both of which can link to Cash App for easy access. So now there are two-way monies to receive earnings from games into Cash App. So we could do direct payout. So some apps like Cash Giraffe or FreeCash let you withdraw to PayPal or bank accounts that can be connected to your Cash App. And there is a workaround. So for apps that only offer PayPal or bank accounts, just simply transfer the funds from PayPal to your linked bank account and then move it into the Cash App.